This video, I'm going to teach you how to fix N8 and if mode always false. So this is because there's actually some problems with a particular expression of your if node. So with this, you can head over and click on your if node right here and see in here some conditions. So in here, you can add conditions for value 1, and this means that this will be the true or this will be the true option. And input right here the value. So for example, let's choose in here a value from our HTTPS node. You can add that right here to a particular value as well as expand it right here for the actual field. You can execute it depending on this and actually input right your previous node that will have that option. Once you have successfully set it up, it should be able to fix the actual false option that will appear into this case. You can expand it and execute this to see the actual schema and actually save it all together. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.